So what's going on, YouTube? This is Doug Jenkins back with another sound demo. Today we're going to do the infamous DBX 160A. I've got a bunch of little samples lined up, just basic kick drums, hip-hop kick drums. We also have, what else did I put in there? Full drum kits and bass lines. The 160As are incredible on bass. They're great at controlling if you want a warm sounding bass. They can give a kick, more kick, and I'm going to go through sound demo wise directly into the recorder. You're going to be hearing what the sound is from the software and my converters in the Symphony IO. So these are great videos. The last video I did while I was trying to capture the room, I think guys want to hear this. The number one thing about the 160A, it's a very affordable compressor. Is it a mastering compressor? I don't think. People have probably found better ways to use it in mastering than I have so far, but you can use it for the low end if you were going to, stem off master and do the low end and really want to add some beef to the low end. I'm going to let you hear the DBX 160A, one of the most affordable, amazing compressors on the planet. DBX pretty much developed compression, and every compressor sort of taken a page off of it. So here's the DBX 160A, one of the most popular compressors on the planet, based on budget to what you get for it. So let's check it out. So we're going to go through and we're going to start with the different compression techniques. I'm going to start with some bass lines. Let me turn this down, actually turn this off. Let's listen to this bass line here. That's in bypass. Let's mess with it. There's a over easy. That'd be more natural. Let's take it off. Really way too big for the speakers, especially when you're mixing more instruments in. Just way too fat. Very skinny, very nice, same kind of dynamics. I'm gonna really hammer it. Less on the ratio, more on the threshold. Very even. And then off. And obviously, guys, when you make up gain, just a lot nicer of a bass line, huh? Let's move on to a kick drum. Yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing as engineers, is controlling things so they fit. So now, a kick drum, the vocals will fit over that. So let's go back to the beginning, listen to the kick. It's already got a little distortion in it. Listen to that. Off. Let's move on to a different kick with a little more low. Listen to that. That is pure hip-hop 808. I don't even want to touch that setting right now. Take it off and watch it distort the snot out of it. Let's clip down on these a little bit so we can actually hear it non-distorted. Here we go. Still distorting. This is way too much energy, man. What a compressor does in a technical term is we're adjusting. Here, let's get the stereo image pretty close. That's horrible. Alright, we're good. I just want you to get used to that sound for a second. Let's turn the compressor on. Just so much nicer. So much nicer, dude. Let's just tweak it up a little bit. Threshold. Ratio. That heavy. It's a bass monster, dude. And by the way, these are linked in slave mode. Let's go to a complete drum kit. Turn this off. In this one, I'm going to make the snap come out of the drums. It's in bypass mode right now. And off. Trying to keep it relative in volume. On. Get a little bit more creative. Now if I turn that up, let me turn that up actually. Turn the compressor off. You can notice a very, very subtle change, but a lot tighter. Notice the tightness of the drums. Now, obviously, you can see in this demo, the DBXs are more for just, in my opinion, bass and kick, snares, backup vocals. They're very good on individual instruments where you can see it's sort of having a little bit of a difficulty on the whole bus without getting pumping. Off. But we can make it real transparent, just smaller ratios. Before. But I really like it on bass. Check it out again on a bass line. Just smooths it out, man. With no compression. Little flabby. So the DBX 160s are a monster on bass. Let's try to get another sample in there before the video ends. Let's see here. Let's go to something different. Let's try a whole mix. Why not? With my buddy's song. Why not? You know, why not? If I can find it, it just sort of disappeared. There you go. Let's try it out. So this would be a whole song. Can you use it on a whole song? Maybe at very, very low ratios, threshold. So this is before. So let's say we want to use it as a smoothing kind of compressor. Okay, we don't need the hip-hop drum in there. Chill out. And we'll turn it off. Took some of that nice higher end out, mid-range.
And I know that you are crying.
Pumping a little bit.
And I need you.
So it can be transparent too. And look at how much compression's going on. 10 dBs.